Hey guys, it's back to school season. I want to share with you guys my granola bar recipe that is super nutritious. My kids love it. I make this in advance. You can put it in the fridge and even in the freezer. There's no baking involved and all my kids absolutely adore this recipe. What I add to it is the Biostrath Junior, which is full of essential nutrients, over 61 essential nutrients that are super important for kids that are growing and are active and are going to school. So check out the recipe. Okay guys, so this is a quick look at some of the ingredients I'm using today. The creamy nature peanut butter, Biostrath, some brown rice syrup, cinnamon, chocolate chips. So in a large bowl, you want to add 2 cups of rice chocolate puffs cereal, 2 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, a bit of chia seeds and hemp seeds or coconut flakes, whatever you have, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so you just mix that together, set it aside, and then in a small casserole, you're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. It's important to have the creamy peanut butter. It will help bind well with the brown rice syrup, so it's super sticky. A cup of brown rice syrup, and then you're going to mix that over medium heat for a few minutes until it kind of bubbles up. Then you're going to remove it from the heat, and once it's cooled down just a little bit, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of Biostrath Junior. Mix that well, and then you can pour that mixture over your cereal mix and just make sure everything is well incorporated and mix all together. It kind of becomes sticky and harder to mix, so you can use your hands. I wash my hands and then I just go for it. It's easier to make sure everything's covered. And once it's cooled off a little bit, you can add your 3/4 cup chocolate chips. And then what I do, I'm using a cake pan as my mold. I added some parchment paper. I tapped down the mixture, put it in the fridge for a few minutes, well, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. Then it is ready, and you can cut it into whatever size you want, and then keep it in the fridge in an airtight container. Enjoy!